the last morning of the entire trip. Today we are going to Maine. We made it to the ocean! Woo! This thunderstorm is insane.
I felt it in my body. We jumped. Like I felt the charge.
We are caught in the most insane thunderstorm. My hair is soaked, and all I did was run from our tent to a nearby church. We're in a church right now. I literally put all my clothes, everything in my pants that was in the tent, because I'm afraid it's gonna be completely flooded in the morning. I have my shoes. I didn't even wear my shoes. I slipped and fell out of the tent, got soaked. I came in just laughing so hard because I can't see anything because my glasses are rainy, but wow, that was pretty spooky. It was the most insane crack of thunder. This might be the biggest thunderstorm ever, and I'm so lucky that like we can be in a house right now or slash church right now. So last night was the most epic storm ever. It was crazy. We heard like this enormous crash of thunder, and then a lightning bolt struck like so incredibly close to us that we like felt its energy. I was like, did I just get struck by lightning? It was insane. So we quickly ran to this church that we were staying in that house's yard. So it was just across the way. And this is where we slept. On the carpet right here, there was Ellen, and then there's Claire, Chris. We just kind of took over the church, and it was great because it was warm and dry in here. And now I'm about to go outside to see the damage that the storm had done. I'm not even gonna put on my shoes because they're just gonna get soaked. So we were staying in this house's yard down here by the lake. Whoa. Wow, it's pretty saggy. Oh my gosh, my bathing suit bottoms are in the lake. What? My bathing suit bottoms are in the lake. They were hanging right there, drying. Oh my gosh, these are... Oh, I just washed these. All right, it looks like things are mainly in one piece here. We took a wrong turn, and now we have to go back, but we don't want to go back on the one-way road, so we're going to go down this guardrail like this. How did they get down this? Okay. I don't know if that's poison ivy. It's our last lunch spot of the entire trip. We are ending the trip tomorrow. This is the best lunch spot, I think, of the adventure so far. I mean, look at this place. It is gorgeous. And I, of course, have my avocado peanut butter apple wrap for the win. To the capital of New Hampshire, which is Concord.
Hi!
Hi!
That's Daniel Webster.
Woo! Daniel Webster! Wait, did he make the dictionary?
Claire, did Daniel Webster make the dictionary?
No? Okay. Well, this is pretty cool. Ellen got flat a little bit ago, but looks pretty good to me.
Okay?
Yeah.
Really?
It smells like the East Coast. Do you know what the East Coast smells like? If you don't, it smells like cedar wood, fresh ocean, even though we're not to the ocean yet. And it smells like happiness as well.
Guys, later in life, this man
Pretty wild.
the Attorney General
Franklin Pierce, right here. We just went to his grave. It's also in Concord, New Hampshire. He was the 14th president of the United States, and his name is Franklin Pierce. Wow. We're racing the clock because we're trying to get to B-Dubs to eat dinner, but it's only 4:30 and none of us are hungry. Guess we're going.
Let's get leftovers.
The Last Supper. Here we are. Woo.
It is the Last Supper.
If your water bottle's too big to fit under the sink, you just use your hand like that. Kind of scoop it and cup it, and it'll fill. Slowly, but surely it will. This is our last sunset on the bikes. It's pretty crazy that we almost made it. We're about 50 miles from the ocean, and we're gonna stop tonight and sleep on a lake and swim and have the best night. And then tomorrow we're gonna get up and we're gonna cruise to the ocean, hug our parents, see some more family, and just like close out this chapter. I'm just speechless. Yeah, I just can't believe that this summer trip is coming to an end in 24 hours from now, and this is our last night biking. We are heading into Northwood, New Hampshire. Tomorrow we'll cross into Maine, and we're gonna finish in Ogunquit Beach, Maine. It's just crazy that this trip is coming to an end. My first ever bike tour. It's been real. It's been fun. As Chris would say, it's been real fun. It's just awesome. That's all I have to say. It's just awesome. It's crazy that we made it this far. It's crazy that I'm here right now, going up another hill. It's the last morning of the entire trip. Today we are going to Maine. This is what we're dealing with. This gorgeous view, these awesome people. Life is so good. Claire's eating some oatmeal. Fueling to Maine.
Too much.
Too much. Woo! Let's get it.
Oh.
John Mark is not happy with breakfast.
My food bag is filled with foods that I don't want to eat anymore, and that's why they're in there. Some of these have been in there for a long time.
Let's see. Let's take a look at
Like,
what's in John Mark's food bag.
I'll show you what's undesirable. This has been in there for a long time. It's a piece of oatmeal.
A piece of oatmeal.
Yeah, and then these sunflower seeds actually are not very good. I've had those since before your house.
That's a long time.
And then this is like my emergency meal.
Mexican
Oh,
rice.
and check this out. This has been with us the whole trip.
Oh,
it's our,
it's a salt and pepper. It's
mix.
gourmet because they're mixed together. Isn't that cute? Now we're just picking up some trash. I actually have to get dressed because your girl is not ready yet. Oh, but it's okay. It is 8:30, 40 miles to go of the entire trip. Let's get it. July 22nd, 2021. We are in Northwood, New Hampshire, heading toward Ogunquit, Maine. Gonna be a good day. We're gonna get some ice cream.
Yeah.
Last ice cream stop. 20 miles to go. Cheers. This is insane! 14 more miles. Woo! 5 miles. 5. Last hill, I hope. You're gonna cry? Oh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
I made it! We made it! All the way to Maine from Washington. Now I'm lugging my bike through the rocks so I can get a picture on the water.
They don't want that. They just want them in it. Sorry. Rusty, I don't think you can stand there, man.
1, 2, 3!
One more time.
Hey, welcome to Maine, everybody.
Welcome to the Atlantic!
Woo! We made it to the ocean. I'm gonna go swimming now. My cousin, we have a whole crew here who supported us all the way, and they came all the way to Maine to see us finish, and I cried. It was awesome.
Right.
We made it to the ocean. Woo!
Is that cold?
Woo! We did it, guys. So salty.
Okay.
Thanks so much for following along. Stay tuned for more videos. We made it to the ocean. It's time to enjoy the day. I am just so thankful and so blessed to be here right now. Wow, just wow.